Today, let's see the freezer meals people tend to freeze, so to stock your freezer with these easy, crowd-pleasing meals. Breakfast ideas. Freezer breakfast burritos, scrambled eggs, cheese, and sausage wrapped in tortillas. Pro tip: wrap individually in foil for quick reheating. Banana pancakes, blend bananas, eggs, and oats. Freeze cooked pancakes, healthy twist. Add chia seeds for omega-3s. Breakfast sandwiches. English muffins with egg, cheese, and ham. Storage, separate with parchment paper. Lunch and dinner staples. Lasagna rolls, individual rolled lasagna portions. Make ahead, freeze before baking. Chicken pot pie. Freeze unbaked pies for fresh from the oven taste. Shortcut, use store-bought crust. Beef empanadas, handheld spiced beef pockets. Freezer tip, flash freeze before bagging. Vegetable curry, coconut-based curry with chickpeas. Serve with frozen naan bread. Soups and stews. Minestrone soup, packed with beans and veggies. Storage, leave room for expansion in containers. Chili con carne, freezes beautifully for 3 months. Topping idea, freeze shredded cheese separately. Butternut squash soup, velvety smooth puree. Pro tip, freeze in silicone muffin cups for portions. Kid-friendly options. Mac and cheese cups baked in muffin tins for perfect portions. Add in diced ham or broccoli. Chicken nuggets, homemade baked version. Coating panko breadcrumbs for crunch. Pizza rolls, pepperoni and cheese in dough spirals. Dipping sauce, freeze marinara in small containers. Global flavors. Beef and broccoli stir-fry, freeze sauce separately, serve with instant rice. Chicken tikka masala, marinated chicken and spiced tomato sauce, pair with frozen garlic naan. Vegetable samosas, spiced potato filling and pastry, cooking, bake from frozen. Sweet treats. Chocolate chip cookie dough, portion dough balls for fresh baked cookies anytime. Variation, add chopped nuts. Berry crumble, freeze fruit filling and topping separately. Quick dessert, assemble and bake frozen. Peanut butter cups, homemade version in mini muffin tins. Storage layer with parchment. Freezer pro tips, label everything. Include name and date. Portion control, freeze in meal-sized amounts. Thaw safely. Overnight in fridge or use microwave defrost. Best containers, soups, mason jars, leave space. Casseroles, use aluminum pans with lids. Small items, like vacuum-sealed bags. Like and share this content with family and friends.